Hey guys, it's Dana from MOY Resin Envy. Today we're going to pick our winner for our free mermaid kit, valued at $140. We have five people in this running, so I put everybody's name in twice so that you would appear on both sides of the board here. To win this, you had to be a subscriber to our email list, and all you had to do was go on to our YouTube, follow our YouTube page, watch our mermaid video, and comment on that, as well as share the video out. So we are at the point where we're about to find out who wins, and then we'll send emails out with the winner's name. So here we go. Judy Dio, congratulations. We will contact you via email, and I'll probably give you a call to see where you would like your kit shipped. Congratulations.